don't you now he is Farmer Ryan and his wife Colin rounding up their animals because of an approaching storm. They are amazed, when you're going to be amazed, to see a UFO landing. Take it away to the sound effects for a comment.
Come on, Bessie, come on! She's sick. She don't want to come. Let me get help me push her. Oh, careful! Get her in the pen. There you go, Bessie. We better run. Boy, those storm clouds sure are mighty ominous. Oh, listen there. No, they're not that ominous, actually. They sound like they have a secret. Better get some chickens. And we better fix some for dinner tonight and stow them away. It's going to be a rough storm. Okay, jump the head off. Fine, use the gun. It looks like we got enough to kill the cow, too. Did I drop a ring? Shut the gate on the barn. Barn? You're Farmer Ryan. No. The big door. Oh, I'll just close it. Back. That cow is really sick. Close her up. I didn't want you to see the combination. All right. Take the chickens inside. I'm going to get some water. Something come from the sky. The clouds are separating. The cops! Oh, we haven't done anything. What? We haven't done anything. That's strange. I'll turn off the television. The door's open. They need some space oil on their hands. This could be someone from another planet. We could be the first people that he comes in contact with. We better approach it. A small thing with a big round head and almond-shaped eyes. It's time to talk to her. Using sign language. It's talking.
Take us to your leader.
Colin's quit doing it. I don't know the other. The little one's holding a strange weapon. A cat. Easy with this. Why did you fire a warning shot?